I think one of the greatest gifts we have is just being able to be ourselves. It's kind of a cool, barely see there's a wall over there, dude. Look at a rat climbing area. A little sketchy move there. And boom, all good. When you try something very difficult, everybody's always got to get into a place of doubt. Because the failure part is the learning part of succeeding. To find that reason of why, it can become so fulfilling. With this hand, I gotta warm it up good. Kind of ache, and then all of a sudden it's like ready.
You ever have dreams about climbing?
Yeah, sometimes. When I was a kid, I had this dream of just falling, and it was a weird feeling in your stomach when you go to an edge of a cliff. Then I woke up. What was that all about? Because we all will go one day, but I'm not gonna fall. I'm gonna go right through that move. As calmly as possible. And in control. You know, can I do this? Do I want to do this? Yes. But why? I brought myself to this respectful place of belief that this is part of my purpose.